Tesla Model 3 is no longer your average Tesla, as it recently got an upgrade to a bed frame. Hi, my name is Sandro, and if you're new to this channel, I've been living on an open road inside my Tesla Model X for about 1 year now. And today, I've had the privilege to help out fellow Tesla owner Cary and Gwen on building out a bed frame in their Tesla. So let's go meet them and check out their setup.
I feel like we're not gonna just like constantly slide into the trunk anymore.
Oh yeah. I mean, I can actually fit too.
But yeah, this is delightful.
Happy campers?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Let's go back in time to show you guys how they built it. So let's reverse. We took some initial measurements to make sure that the overall shape of the design would maximize the surface area for the bed platform.
So I adjusted the measurements too. I think, so the plan is a big, like from one of those main cardboard panels or plywood panels, 3 cuts in it, one after 41 inches, one 26.5. I want to do this measurement one more time before we leave, and then 13 inches for that.
When I built my Model 3 camper box, though the overall design was vastly different, I know we would encounter some of the same problems. And how cheaply can we make a luxurious bed? Then we went to Home Depot to gather all the supplies and got all the major cuts done for the build. So if it barely fit in here, it would not fit in yours.
Yeah.
Like, you don't care about the stretch, do you?
No.
Okay.
Not in this car.
Overall design has 3 main pieces. The uppermost piece, piece number 1, or the headboard, will be attached with door hinges to piece number 2, the main body piece. We diagonally cut off 2 edges off the main body piece, creating a trapezoid. Both the headboard and the main body piece will be fully removable so that Cary can still have full use of his back seats in case he wants to show his friends just how cool an EV is. Piece number 3 of the build, the anchor of the build, will be the most permanent part of the bed frame. We basically redesigned a little bit of our initial plan, right? So now we're cutting off the segments at the bottom because there's like a rounded edge of the trunk. But that's the thing about building I would say, a sleeping setup in your Tesla. It's a lot of trial and error. Like today, we spent about half the day pretty much just figuring out what supplies we needed. Even though we came together on Thursday and kind of talked strategies, it's just kind of you plan as you fly. You just kind of go and adapt to the situation. Did that make sense?
Fly by the seat of your pants, I think is the English phrase you're looking for.
That's the one. We created little legs using 2x4s that will keep the bed frame at a height of 5.5 inches, as it allows the full bed frame to be completely flat without losing any additional height clearance for sleeping. We added carpet on top of the whole bed frame to serve as the edge protectors and make it feel even more luxurious. Are you excited?
Yeah, this will be great.
Yeah, man. It looks like it was made out. Looks
like
it was
sorry.
made in a factory. The final piece.
That's gonna look pretty sick.
Dude, this looks so nice.
Yeah, this looks good.
Happy campers?
Yeah.
We then attached the door hinges to piece number 1, the headboard, and piece number 2. To secure the headboard, we decided that 2 support beams underneath the headboard at a height of 17.5 inches was sufficient to support the weight.
We're gonna use these drop pins. I think we still may use these on the front posts, but there's just like not really enough substance, like not enough meat here to kind of house that. It's just too fat of a screw. So we're gonna go with something skinnier, but it'll have the same effect of just like holding it in place. So drill the hole big enough so you can like pull this in and out, basically, is the goal. I think we're kind of already there. I mean,
yep.
Now the hard part though is lining up with this.
In total, we spent just over $150 to build this platform. So after just 2 or 3 nights traveling on the road, he will comfortably have recovered his costs. If I didn't upgrade to a Model X, I would have personally built a similar platform like this. So now that the build is complete, do you guys have any advice for anybody who wants to build a bed frame inside their Tesla or just in their car in general?
Yeah, I think the key is just to be flexible with your plans. I mean, we took measurements, and it just seemed like every step of the way we were slightly adjusting. Just trying to protect
from puncturing the beautiful white.
Exactly.
Less than $1 solution to essentially a detrimental.
Oh yeah, very expensive mistake on those beautiful white seats. So yeah, just be open to change, and yeah.
Yeah, I'd second that. And then like also definitely like measure a couple times and like test things as you go before you screw them in.
The one thing I love about living on the road is that you get opportunities like this that you could never predict unless you're out there and you make videos. So it feels worthwhile for me that my content is helping other people, because that's the whole reason why I started this channel, to show the potential, what you can do with an electric car. And yeah, thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful day in Portland, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Thanks.